Hello guys, this is your favorite engineer, Mr. K from K Innovation. Yeah, today I'll be taking you on a journey on how we made a troubleshooting for a client who stays in a dusty environment, and the dust has affected the power rate of the solar or power efficiency of the solar panels, which has made him lose money. At first, when we got there, the batteries were not working optimally because of the dust on the solar panel, and this is an area whereby in less than 24 hours it has generated tons of dust on top of the panel glass. So we were called and decided to do our best. Join me as I take you through the journey of how power efficiency will be restored to that customer. This is how dusty the road is. So this place generates dust of wherever. So those who have solar panel in this environment, there is no way they will enjoy charging current. No way. No way, no way, no way. So, looking at this project, we do some plumbing work here, connecting waters on the panel that run on the panel to clean the panel. Then okay. Okay, there. This one, 5 gallon, take it. This is gallons. Now, because you can see this is 12 noon. Now see the wattage I'm getting. Very low wattage. So we're gonna do something about this and clear the air. So this is how dirty the panel is from the generation of dust in that area. You can see my hands. Even the dust is very thick. With this, the panel cannot be able to get substantial power. So we're going to do an amazing work here. Yes, and we're going to restore power to this place. Obvious, of course, we're going to do that. So we are going to move the other panels from that side to this side. We are laying the foundation which the panels are going to be moved. So I'm doing our installation process. I've disconnected all solar panels. I'm going to put the other ones. This is the before. I guess you can see how dirty the panels are. So what I'm practically doing, I'm removing the panels that the installer puts here because of this obstruction. You can see the shade covering. Very soon, before 3, the shade has gotten to this place. So we're trying to relocate it to this side. Then before we now do our automatic washing system. And you can see the panels are very dirty because of the dust generated. You can see people that are generating dust. Just stay back as we finish what we want to do. So we are done washing the panel. Now time to install the water flushing system. So here we are doing the drilling on the at customer location. We're doing our connection, our PVC pipe.